0 to pi by 2, 2 sin pi by 2 minus x, 3 cos pi by 2 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x. X replaced with upper limit minus x. 0 to pi by 2, 2 cos x, 3 sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. This is second I. Second I. I plus I. I plus I. 0 to pi by 2. First I. 2 sin 3 cos by sin plus cos, 2 sin plus 3 cos by sin plus cos. Second I, 2 cos plus 3 sin by cos plus sin. 2i value 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x. Else we say take 2 common, take 2 common, sin x plus cos x. Take 3 common, cos x plus sin x dx. 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2. Take sin x plus cos x common. Take sin x plus cos x common. Sin x plus cos x cancel. Integral of 5x. Integral of 5x. 5 into pi by 2. This is 2i value. I value 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. Pi by 2. A sin x. B cos x. By sin x plus cos x dx. A plus b into pi by 4. 0 to pi by 2. A tan x. A tan x plus b cot x by tan x plus cot x. A plus b into pi by 4. In terms of secant and cosecant, write another formula. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. A secant x. A secant x plus b cosecant x by secant x plus cosecant x dx. a plus b into pi by 4 minus a to a x square under root a square minus x square dx. X square plus limits in the form of minus a to a. So we check the function is either even or odd. Suppose even, you write 0 to a, 2 into 0 to a. So suppose function is odd, value is 0. See, replace x with minus x. Minus x whole square equal to x square. We get the same function. So this is an even function. Observe these two also. Minus x whole square equal to x square. Same function repeated with plus. So both are even functions. Write 2 into 0 to a form. 2 into 0 to a form. Even 2 into 0 to a x square dx. 2 into 0 to a under root a square minus x square dx. 2 into x cube by 3. X cube by 3. This is direct formula. X by 2. X by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Lower limit value 0, upper limit value 2 a cube by 3. First apply upper limit. A square minus a square value 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a value 1 minus lower limit value 0 into something equal to 0. Sin inverse 0. Sin inverse 0 equal to 0. 2 a cube by 3 plus a square by 2 sin inverse 1 value pi by 2. So 2 a cube by 3 pi a square by 4. F of x dx 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of upper limit minus x, upper limit minus x equal to plus fx equal to minus fx. 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx or integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx sin power nx dx cos power nx dx both have the same formula n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 4 n minus 5 by n minus 6 etc etc 1 by 2 into pi by 2 or 2 by 3 into 1 2 by 3 into 1 2 pi sin power 9x dx. Suppose given this problem 0 to pi, we want to limit say 0 to pi by 2. Listen carefully. We have the formula when limits 0 to pi by 2 but not given 0 to pi by 2. So first convert this one as pi by 2. How to convert that pi to pi by 2? Apply this formula. This is 2a. This is a. 2a by 2 equal to a. So apply this condition. F of x. Listen. F of x. Sin power 9x. F of upper limit minus x. Sin power 9. Pi minus x. 180 minus x belongs to Q2. So plus sin power 9x. So repeat plus of x. Same problem repeated with the plus symbol. So you write 0 to pi means 2 into pi by 2. 2a 0 to 2a 0 to 2a. Write 2 into 0 to a. 2 into 0 to a. 0 to 2a becomes 2. 2 into 0 to a. Sin power 9x dx. 8 by 9. This 2 is this one. N minus 1 by n. N value 9. 9 minus 1 8 by 9. Decrease 2 in both numerator and denominator. 6 by 7. 4 by 5. 2 by 3. When you get 2 by 3, write 1. This is the answer. 9x dx. Listen carefully. Suppose given cos power 9, 0 to pi. Apply this condition. F of x. Cos power 9x. F of pi minus x. Cos power 9. Pi minus x. Cos 180 minus theta. Minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. Whole power 9. minus power 9 equal to minus. So you get minus fx. Fx repeated again, but repeated with minus, repeated with plus. So this is minus fx. So answer of this problem is 0. Write both.